welcome to yet another maths video on data handling. Today we are going to study about bar graphs and double bar graphs using a very interesting story titled The Great Graphily Adventure. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Graphily, young mathematicians. I'm Professor Plotter and today we are going on an exciting journey through our colorful town to learn about bar graphs and double bar graphs. Scene 1, the fruit fair. Our adventure begins at the annual Graphily Fruit Fair. Mayor Axis is trying to decide which fruits to order for the next year's fair, but she needs our help. Look at this bar graph, Mayor Axis says, pointing to a large chart. Each bar shows how many people liked each fruit. The taller the bar, the more popular the fruit. We examine the graph together, noting how the x-axis shows different fruits and the y-axis shows the number of people. Aha, we exclaim. Strawberries are the tallest bar, so they are the most popular. Scene 2, creating our own graph. Inspired by the fruit fair, we decide to survey our classmates about their favorite ice cream flavors. Professor Plotter guides us through the process. The first step, we collect our data. The second step, we draw our axis on a large poster. Now the horizontal axis is the x-axis and the vertical axis is the y-axis. We carefully measure and draw each bar, and then we add colors and labels. Voila! Our very own bar graph is complete. Here we can see that the horizontal axis represents the different flavors of ice cream and the vertical axis represents the number of children. According to the bar graph, the maximum number of children, that is 16 children, prefer chocolate flavor, followed by blueberry, and then strawberry, and then vanilla. Scene 3, the Sports Championship. Our next stop is the Graphily Sports Championship. Coach Double Bar is struggling to compare how many boys and girls signed up for each sport. I have an idea, you say. Let's use a double bar graph. We create a new graph with 2 bars for each sport, one for boys and one for girls. We use blue for boys and pink for girls, standing side by side for easy comparison. Wow, exclaims Coach Double Bar. Now I see that soccer is popular with both boys and girls, but more girls signed up for basketball. As our day in Graphily comes to an end, Mayor Axis thanks us for our help. You've shown us how bar graphs and double bar graphs make it easy to understand and compare information, she says with a smile. Remember, young graph explorers, whenever you need to compare data or show results clearly, bar graphs are your trusty tools. Keep practicing and you'll be master graphers in no time.